today Daniel's package just arrived. Guess what? We ordered sunglasses for Daniel, and this came from China. So now we're gonna try it on Daniel. She loved traveling with the tricycle, so I decided to buy. It's only for Daniel, Nila. We will try, and then we're gonna order yours, okay? Okay, look, Daniel's package. We're gonna try this on Daniel, right? Okay, you're shy. Oh, are you shy? Why you shy? You're gonna show them your sunglasses, yeah? Okay, we're gonna unbox this. I already opened it. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, I'm excited. Mommy excited. I'm gonna open this here, okay? Oo. Kasi si Daniel kasi lumalabas, so kailangan niya ng sunglasses. Okay, let's do it. Saan ito na? Tingnan natin anong dumating. Ay, tamang-tama. Ano in-order namin? Why? Ito yung in-order ko. So, what? Daniel, look. We got your order. Siya pamili niyan. Inano niya yung kamay niya. Ayan. So, mommy will open it. And we're gonna try it on Daniel. So, ganito siya. Foldable siya. Tapos, ito yung garter para hindi matanggal sa kanyang fast. So, ipasuot ko muna sa kanya. Kasi hirap po ganito nag-video. Very nice, Daniel. Okay? Ayan! Daw kay Daniel, ganito. Taman, nakahiga si Daniel. Daniel, you wanna show it to them. Let's go. You wanna go with mommy? Go, go. Oh, sandali lang. Okay. Oh, di ba pogi si Daniel? Galing pa ito ng China. Show them how you wear it. Ganito ang paglagay. Oh, yan. So, ready to go tomorrow. Kasi lalabas ng sama-sama sa labas. So, ganito para may garter siya dito, guys. So, order na kayo. Sa LAZADA to, na-order ko. Yan, no, dito. Adjustable. Foldable siya dito. So, para hindi maano. O, diba? What can you say? Daniel, we're gonna do another vlog tomorrow when we go out, right? Yo, pogi. Ang pogi. O, yan. Ayan na, nakita. Daniel, look at mommy. Daniel, look at mommy. Nahiyak ko niyo siya. Daniel, look at mommy. Suplado naman. Say hi to them. See, this is my new sunglass. Mommy, what's for me? Look at that. Isn't it pogi? Kasya lang. Yung sombrero niya on the way pasok. Ito gadget siya si Daniel. And then you're gonna wear hot, right? Hey, you're gonna wear hot too. So you be cool. Okay, say bye na to them. We're gonna make short vlog tomorrow when we go to the market. Okay, bye-bye na to them. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Am I handsome now? Bye.